here now!
No!
She just 45'd it. Two vehicles, 45 into the median.
A Tennessee state trooper pulled over on the highway simply to help a woman change a flat tire. But that act of kindness was repaid with a high-speed chase, endangering the lives of dozens of innocent civilians and ending in a catastrophic crash, revealing a bitter truth about our legal system. The offender went to great lengths to escape, showing total disregard for her own life and even the small dog in her car. Let's take a look.
You need some help? Yep. I have a impact wrench. I'll do you one better. Give me 1 second. I'll come help you.
5,376, 362 Rohan.
This thing's been here for a couple days, huh?
It has, yeah.
Just blew a tire. It's not broken down or anything?
No, it's just tired.
Let me grab this for you.
Thank you so much.
You already have it jacked up?
Sorta, yeah.
Sorta. It's a heavy one. You should grab this.
She wanted to see a police officer in the back. Hey, give it.
How old is that thing?
He's a miniature Dachshund. He won't get much bigger.
It's a little hamster.
Thank you so much.
Yep. You got your little wrench? I don't think I have the right size for this. Yeah, I don't know what size of weird lug nuts you got, but I do not have the correct size for this. You can try your 4-way. 76, go ahead.
Violation of probation, misdemeanor theft, felony theft. I'm trying to confirm it now.
Got it?
Yep.
You have to hammer it on there?
Yeah.
One at a time.
Thank you so much.
Unfortunately, don't thank me yet. What's your birthday? What's your birthday? What are the last 4 of your social? What's your name? What's your name?
Ashley Cox.
Do you have your ID on you?
I don't think I do, really.
Whose car is this?
This is my cousin's.
You just throwing that in the back seat? Throwing that in the back seat?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. The main reason I stopped is I saw that billboard. And then I pull up here and it says 40 on the road. And I'm like, well, I wish I would have known that before I got off the highway, but you're all done, huh?
I'm good, I appreciate you.
All right, buddy, thanks.
Alright. Just come to this passenger side window real quick if you would.
Okay.
Give me some info.
I can see if I have my ID. I don't think I do, though.
Give me 1 second. What's your social?
Huh?
Your social?
Hey, hush it. Sparky, I need a lighter.
Come back here.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna give you one more chance.
Listen, I have a warrant.
I know you have a warrant.
Okay, please don't take me to jail.
You're going to jail. And don't even run. Stop!
Please don't take me to
Stop!
jail.
If you want another charge, get back here.
No charge.
Now!
Please don't take me to
Get
jail.
back here now!
No.
It's a felony charge! Get out! Felony charge! Get out! Running, I'm gonna chase you. Felony charge, don't do it. Starting mileage 46483. Got on 40 eastbound 362. Tires blown. He's on metal. Light traffic. Clear roads. Speed's 47. He's going on the shoulder. Come back on lane 3. Still metal to asphalt. Additional charges, criminal impersonation. 364 east. Looks like we're getting off here. She's already spun out a couple times before she got on this interstate here. She's pulling off the shoulder. Speed's 42. Getting off the exit.
Copy, get off the exit.
I'm headed towards the interstate in case I get back home.
County both going around.
Left into the truck stop. Nope, making a U-turn.
Copy, making a U-turn.
Another U-turn. Back on 40. Gonna spin out.
East or left?
Going east, speed 60. White traffic, from what I can see.
Copy, speed 60, lot traffic.
She's 85 miles an hour on a rim, coming up on light traffic, going into lane 1. Lane 1, 96 miles an hour, light traffic.
About 96 miles per hour.
92, 365 east.
Copy, 365 east.
Coming up on traffic. She just 45 into 2 vehicles, 45 into the median. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! What are you doing? You've got like 15 other charges. Get out of the car now. Last chance before you get another one. Come on, get out.
Don't take me to jail!
Get out, or I'm gonna drag you out. Get out. No. Put him in the back seat. Come out now. No. No. Put him in the back seat.
Do you need help? Need help?
Put him in the back seat.
Come on, come on. Come on, you have to get out. Come on.
Get out.
You have to get out. Let's go. Come on.
Put the dog in the car. I'm not hurting the dog. Put the dog in the car.
Here, let me have the dog. Let me have. No, let me have
Give
the
him
dog.
the dog.
Give me the dog. You have to give us the dog.
Give
You
me the
are
dog.
arrested.
Put the dog down. Don't hurt him. Put him in the seat. Get on your face.
Gotta get out.
Now.
Get
Down.
down. Hey,
Stop resisting.
Please don't move me until we can get the dog.
we got it. Stop. Stop.
Hey! Stop! Stop!
No! No!
Stop!
Hey.
Stop! I appreciate you.
Are you okay?
I'm good. It's just fine. Take your breath. Ma'am, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
You still good? You all right? No problem. Okay.
You okay, man? Take a deep breath for me. Everybody's all right. Breathe. Yeah, everything's fine.
Good, Bob?
I'm good.
Okay.
Do you prefer a wrecker out of this area? Are you from here?
I'm from Charleston.
Charleston. You want me to call a wrecker for you? Get you pulled out of here? I got you. I got you. We'll get that handled.
You want a place to stay? You want to join?
Okay. Do you have a preference on a record? Do you want me to call a record for you from here?
I don't know. I'm from North Carolina.
Okay.
I just picked up my stepson, and now we're headed home.
1176.
I'm not even going to tell you how stupid that was. You just stacked on like 5 more felony charges. It's the dumbest thing you could have done.
Is that the only reason you helped me?
I'm done talking to you.
And what else did you need? Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I'm good, thank you. Your insurance is on here. You're good.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, you did not sound happy about that. No, not at all, dude. Because I ran it. It was a cold dump. You need some help?
The incident began with what is known in American law as the community
I have
caretaking
a impact
doctrine.
wrench. I'll do you one better.
The
Give me
U.S.
1 second, I'll
Supreme
come
Court
help.
recognizes that police officers have a duty not only to
already have
arrest
it jacked up?
criminals,
Sorta,
but
yeah.
also
Sorta.
to assist citizens in distress. At that
Everyone
moment,
figure
the
out this.
officer had no reasonable
Police
suspicion
officer.
of a crime. He was simply performing an act of public service. However, standard procedure dictates that officers record the identity of those they encountered. When asked for her name and social security number, the woman, named Brandy, hesitated, gave the false name
You got your
Elsa
little wrench?
Cox,
I don't think I have the right
and made
size.
excuses about not having ID. When
I
someone
don't know
tries to
what size
concoct a
of weird
lie,
lug nuts you got.
their brain
but
must
I do not
work
have the
double
correct
time
size
to
for this.
maintain the
You can try
facade.
your.
She wouldn't make eye contact, and her
One
heart
at a
rate
time.
spiked. Even the puppy in her arms sensed her panic through her chest movements and became restless. Providing a false name isn't just a simple
Unfortunately,
lie.
don't thank me
In
yet.
many states, it
What's your
constitutes
birthday?
criminal impersonation
What's your
or
birthday?
providing
Or the
false
last 4 of your
information to
social?
law enforcement. At that
What's your name?
point, the police
What's your name?
database hit a red flag. Her real
You have
name
your
was
ID on you?
Brandy, and she had active warrants for probation violation,
Whose car is this?
misdemeanor theft, and felony
Sir, I'm
theft.
not the back.
The encounter had just shifted from consensual contact to a lawful
What's
arrest
your
based
social?
on probable cause.
Your social?
When Brandy claimed she needed to grab a lighter and move toward the vehicle, the officer immediately ordered her back. Why? Under the landmark case Pennsylvania versus Mims,
Come back here.
1977, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that for officer safety,
All right.
police
Give me one
have
more-
absolute
one more
authority
chance.
to control the
Let's have
movement
it
of
more.
drivers and
I know you have
passengers
more.
in and out of a
You're
vehicle
going to
during
jail.
a stop.
And don't even
To an
run.
officer, a car is never just a vehicle. It is a risk container that could hold weapons or serve as an escape tool. Brandy's refusal to comply triggered a resisting arrest charge. The officer tried to detain her, struggling with the door handle,
Stop.
but she locked it
Stop.
and floored the
If
gas. You might ask,
Want another charge?
why
Get
run on a
back here.
tiny spare
Now.
tire?
Please don't
Did she
take
think
me.
she could
Back
outrun
here
a
now.
V6 police cruiser? The answer lies
It's a
in the
felony
psychology
charge.
of a
Get
criminal. When
Felony
faced with the
charge.
immediate
Get out.
loss of freedom, logic vanishes.
Run it, I'm gonna chase you.
The offender sees only one goal:
Felony charge. Don't do it.
escape current control, ignoring all long-term consequences. She had no plan B. She acted on a warped survival instinct. When she fled at speeds reaching 96 miles per hour, the behavior shifted from simple flight to felony evading and felony reckless endangerment. Driving nearly 100 miles per hour on a busy highway is the textbook legal definition of depraved heart, a state of extreme indifference to human life. She turned a vehicle into a 1.5-ton ticking time bomb, and the inevitable outcome followed. Brandy lost control and struck innocent citizens. The officer immediately approached the vehicle with his weapon drawn
Starting mileage,
and shattered the glass to
46,483.
pull her out. He was
Got out,
bleeding from
48
shards of
362.
broken glass. Those
Tires blown.
ignorant of the law might
Dumb
claim the officer was
Light
too
traffic,
aggressive
clear
with a
roads.
woman. But apply the objective reasonableness test from Graham versus Connor, 1989. Police are allowed to use proportional force based on 3 factors. 1, severity of the crime, extremely severe, as Brandy became a felon evading arrest and causing a
Get off
crash.
the exit.
2, Does the suspect pose an immediate threat? Yes. The engine was running. She could have continued to reverse and struck the officer or civilians. 3. Is the suspect actively resisting or fleeing? She just finished doing exactly that. Therefore, the decision to smash the glass and extract the suspect was entirely legal, standard procedure, and essential to secure the scene. The officer's performance was outstanding. He kept a cool head, protected the public, and apprehended the criminal. Brandy's rap sheet is long. Impersonation, felony evading, resisting an officer, driving on a suspended license, reckless driving, over 15 charges in total. But this is where the U.S. justice system leaves us questioning everything. Facing so many felonies, what did the court do? They offered her a plea deal. She pleaded guilty to impersonation and felony evading, and all other public safety charges were dropped. The penalty? 1 to 3 years of probation and a $1,293.26 fine. This is a gaping loophole in our current justice system. It reflects prison overcrowding, prosecutorial compromise via plea bargains, or overly lenient policy. From a criminological standpoint, this sentence lacks any deterrent effect. It sends a dangerous message. You can bite an officer, steal their car, threaten innocent lives, and destroy tens of thousands of dollars in taxpayer-funded property, and you get probation. This severely erodes public trust in the legal system and demoralizes law enforcement. This case leaves us with two harsh truths. First, to those in legal trouble, running has never solved and will never solve your problems. Don't turn a ticket or a misdemeanor warrant into a life-altering felony conviction just for a few minutes of irrational panic. Second, to the community, this video is a reminder that there are individuals out there willing to risk your life for a few minutes of selfish impulse. And sometimes the justice system we trust will release them the very next day. Stay vigilant while driving, wear your seatbelts, and protect yourselves and your families. Social standards can only be maintained when we are mature, law-abiding citizens who know how to protect ourselves. If you appreciate this factual analysis, hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the truth. See you in the next one.